Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good, they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Rapid RP40 Multi-Riveter. Enjoy the efficiency of one-tool riveting. Thanks to its unique multi-nozzle, the RP40 Multi-Hand Riveter can be operated without nozzle changes. This means fewer interruptions and optimal results when working with any kind of sheet metal job. The RP40 Multi is also equipped with a smart measuring control system that measures rivet dimensions and material thickness. You can be sure the right rivet is used in the right hole. Rapid R2200. The R2200 LCD is an advanced heavy-duty heat gun with an LCD screen that allows for accurate temperature setting in increments of 10 degrees Celsius from 50 degrees Celsius up to 650 degrees Celsius. Together with its extremely powerful 2200 watt performance, this level of precision allows for effective use for the most demanding tasks on a wide variety of materials while reducing the risk of damage. Also, the R2200 LCD reaches the desired operating temperature quickly, optimizing working efficiency. Overheating protection and a residual heat indicator enable safe handling after use, while LED lights guide to airflow and temperature settings. A highly stable base for desk or workbench operation and ergonomic soft grip handles make the gun easy and comfortable to use. Dust Collection Bucket. Easy to use dust extraction solution for sawdust waste. 23-liter capacity. Can be used on other products with dust extraction outlets. Compatible with all standard dust ports on power tools such as sanders, planers, thicknessers, as well as saws and large-scale units. Built-in filter prevents ingress of dust and debris. Having two valves allows one to be shut off when only one hose is being used. The filter mounted in the lid prevents the vacuum from being filled with sawdust, therefore extending the life of the vacuum and eliminating the need for dust bags. Carry system for large format tile. Are you going to be installing large format tiles in a home or commercial property? Do you have the correct tools? While large format tiles and slabs are appealing, it is important to address installation as these tiles require special handling to ensure a professional finish. The use of crossbars is recommended for any tilers wider than 1200 millimeters, as you will need the additional support to ensure the tile does not bow, which can cause cracks and breakage. Adjustments on the handles and rubber support helps the wall tile installation to ensure the slabs are not pushing on the floor, which may lead to cracks and breakage. Air Drill Machine. The Aardwolf Portable Air Drilling Machine is a lightweight, versatile drill made of aluminum to reduce weight and features an integrated vacuum base, making it instantaneous to set up with no need for anchoring or clamping. The Aardwolf Air Drilling Machine quickly attaches to both smooth and rough flat surfaces once the vacuum is applied. The drilling machine is suitable for use on vertical and horizontal surfaces, whether the surface is cement, stone, glass, or metal. The vacuum base provides stability. The machine has stepless speed regulation and the max free speed is 1200 RPM. Conveniently placed water nozzle ensures that the drill bit is kept cool during drilling. The drilling depth control design can show or set up the depth that you are drilling. 3-speed control switch. The Aardwolf Portable Drilling Machine has an integrated vacuum base which can be mounted on cement, stone, glass, or metal. 4300 MLK Brick Block Slab Cutter. When it comes to cutting block paving and other small individual paving units, there's nothing much quicker or cleaner than a splitter. Insert the piece to be cut, align, pull down the lever, and there you go. Unlike saws or grinders, the amount of dust generated by the cutting is minimal. and therefore no dust suppression equipment is necessary. Splitters come in a range of sizes to accommodate different types of materials, from 50mm thick paving blocks to 300mm thick stone slabs. 4300 MLK brick block slab cutter also comes with a 7-year warranty. Rhino Multi-Pro. The Rhino Multi-Pro is for professional installers who need to do it all. The Multi-Pro handles everything from T-post to solid wood post by utilizing a wide variety of adapters, chucks, and drive caps to fit the largest range of post-driving jobs. Municipality ground maintenance and construction crews can drive signpost, erosion control fence, snow fence, chain link, and wood fence with one operator in half the time of traditional methods. The Multi-Pro XA gas post driver is the most versatile driver in the Rhino Pro Series line of gas post drivers. DCH 150 SL Wall Chaser. Hilti's diamond cutting portfolio is expanding. Introducing the new DCH 150 SL slitting tool for faster, cleaner, and more consistent cuts. With a higher cutting speed than any other slitter on the market, the DCH 150 SL delivers significant gains in productivity, minutes. 40% faster than its nearest competitor, the DCH 150 SL adheres to dust regulations. Connecting a Hilti vacuum cleaner supports virtually dust-free working. Soft touch grips have been added to the unique parallel handles, making it comfortable to hold regardless of the height or direction of cut. The addition of a built-in spirit level is positioned so it's easy to see. The depth of lock helps to ensure straight and consistent slitting every time. 6-ton Pistol Utility Crimper. 6T Pistol Utility Crimper is the easiest way to crimp overhead. As the lightest, most balanced 6T Pistol Utility Crimper, it provides linemen the easiest alignment when making connections at shoulder height or above. Predictive Force Monitoring (PFM) constantly measures force output to provide the fastest crimp speed while delivering accurate and instant verification every time. A 340-degree rotating head allows for easy access into tight spaces. Compatible with 8 crimping and cutting jaws, the crimper delivers the versatility to tackle a variety of applications. The 6T Pistol Crimper features a power state brushless motor, red link electronics, and red lithium batteries, providing you with unmatched reliability in the toughest conditions. Planex 2. The new generation Planex long-reach sander is revolutionizing drywall construction with LED light and eccentric movement. Zero maintenance and durable, the brushless EC motor is extremely robust, long-lasting, and maintenance-free. The all-round LED light ring works like a built-in grazing light and reveals any unevenness during sanding. The eccentric sanding motion produces outstanding surface quality without any expensive reworking. Adjustable suction power to relieve the strain on the arms and back. The Planex holds its own weight against walls and ceilings. Variable working length and clever T-handle ensure ergonomic work on walls and ceilings, making the tool easy to control, even during long periods of operation. Includes Festool Work App connection for additional functions such as individual control of the LED light ring and tutorials for tool operation and much more. Rapid BGX7. The BGX7 is a cordless hot glue gun, ideal for arts and crafts applications as well as for minor repairs. It works effectively for 30 minutes without charging and warms up in just 20 seconds. The gun has a handy auto shutdown feature that conserves battery power and increases safety by ensuring it won't be accidentally left on. Intelligent ergonomics, including a soft grip and a long rubberized trigger, optimize the comfort of use and ease of use, and the rubber base increases the stability of the gun when it stands on the work surface. Hilti EXO-01. The new EXO-01 wearable exoskeleton from construction tool company Hilti North America will help commercial contractors, tradesmen, and management alike tackle repetitive stress, health, and safety, as well as labor shortage challenges. Wearable human augmentation devices, such as exoskeletons, will reduce strain and fatigue for both experienced and novice users, making the most of the available workforce at a time when the industry is struggling to fill open construction positions. Provides dynamic support without restricting the range of motion of arm and torso. Engineered to provide support for virtually any overhead installation work on construction job sites. No power source to charge and no motors to maintain help ensure your overhead exoskeletons are ready whenever you need them. Bannon 175-pound lift. The Bannon 175-pound capacity drywall and panel hoist with 14-foot lift is a new generation hoist that features a rack and pinion system for lifting panels either manually or automatically. The ergonomic design with a bi-material handle is designed to tilt the top rack up to a vertical position. To use automatically, enlist your power drill for assistance. This hoist allows you to lift boards horizontally, diagonally, or vertically, whichever is most appropriate in your working space. An innovative braking system with 2 handles is designed to lower the board under control. 3 wheels, including 2 with brakes, add further safety and convenience. Foldable feet allow you to move this hoist easily through doorways. Clutch MP230 SIDV. This Clutch MP230 SIDV LCD MIG multi-process welder with LCD display and spool gun features an LCD control screen that quickly and easily walks the user through setup. The efficient inverter-powered system is super lightweight, up to 50% lighter, and requires up to 25% less input power than traditionally powered welders. Performs MIG welding 40 to 90 amps DC with 140 peak and 40 to 200 amps DC. Stick and TIG welding up to 180 amps DC. LCD control screen provides quick and easy setup with save for future setup mode. 50% lighter than transformer welders, making this welder easy to transport. 400 CFM blower. Unusual design, unusually good results. The inline motor provides the power of a large leaf blower while allowing the tool to remain compact. High-performance battery-powered leaf blower in a compact, efficient form factor. The variable air control nozzle lets you choose between more air volume or more air speed. This 20-volt leaf blower pumps out as much air volume and airspeed as the battery-powered leaf blowers twice, even 4 times its size. Weighs less than 4 pounds, so pretty much anyone in the family can use the leaf jet around the yard. And you can use it for long stretches without getting fatigued. Kafel 3-in-1 retractable USB cable. There are too many wires in our life, so you better have one that will suit all your devices. This charging cable combines 3 popular interfaces in a single bundle: lighting, micro USB, and USB Type-C. And on the other side, you have a standard USB that plugs into a power adapter or your laptop. The high-quality copper wire allows fast charging and data transmission. Due to its circular body, the cables are easy to hide and carry in your pocket and bag, and you will never have problems with tangling. The retractable design also allows 5-length modes, going from 7 inches up to 40 inches. Pick your favorite color and stop building wire webs. Horological machine, N9 degrees. 2 years after the initial HM9, Air and Road editions conquered land and sky, HM9 SV takes us to the depths of the ocean. Before you is an exploratory vessel from Atlantis, featuring a curved and bubbled outer hull of sapphire crystal and precious metal. Fitted together in 3 parts, the case is sealed with a proprietary combination of patented 3-dimensional gasket and high-tech compound bonding process. Fully revealed through the crystal clear case, the HM9 engine. The SV editions are distinguished by propellers, coaxial beneath each of the balances. twin turbines that spin freely as an element of pure visual interest, waiting for someone to begin this new underwater exploration. Bosch Attino. Hanging objects without further help has become easy. The Attino combines all relevant functionalities of a line laser and features an integrated 1.5 meter measuring tape. The innovative gel pad can be fixed on smooth and insensitive surfaces, such as tiles and marble. When it comes to rough surfaces or wallpaper, the pin plate with the two small pins is the ideal attachment solution. It can be used for a wide range of jobs, whether aligning or hanging pictures or shelves, fixing hooks or handles, or arranging objects. The Attino is all that's needed. It enables vertical or horizontal leveling via intuitive LED indication and offers an accuracy of the visible laser line of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. On smooth surfaces such as tiles, wood, marble, or concrete look finishes, the line laser simply attaches to the wall with a reusable gel pad. Dinello. Dinello Fling Clip will save you from shoulder and back pains when throwing with ratchet straps. It is ultra lightweight compared to existing solutions on the market, and probably also the only solutions that can do it as fast as by normal throwing. The main value is that this product not only is small, smart, and extremely user-friendly, it can also be used to organize and keep control of your straps. Dinello Fling Clip is for those who throw many straps on a daily basis and come home with a sore shoulder and tense neck. Bessie All-Steel Screw Clamp GZ with Swivel Handle. The new all-steel screw clamp GZKG has a special two-component plastic handle that offers further benefits in addition to ergonomic comfort. It can be swiveled by 90 degrees, which provides additional leverage when tightening and therefore less effort for the user. In addition, the handle can be turned 360 degrees when swiveled. This means that the user can continue to tighten in any situation during the clamping process, as is the case with other competitor models. Atom 2. Atom 2 is so smart that it can sense your open and close actions and automatically expand and fold the arm by itself, giving you a grab and shoot experience with great convenience. Carrying extra accessories is always troublesome. Atom 2 directly integrates an extendable tripod onto the handle, which allows you to extend the handle to make a wider selfie view, or directly stand it on the ground without any extra needs, shooting live streaming, time-lapse, or auto-tracking, etc. 3-axis gimbal is currently the best lossless, anti-shake solution for handheld filming that it can effectively eliminate shake and jitters caused by natural arms movement, keep the balance of the camera in real time, and enable you to shoot stable and smooth footage like a pro. PowerMax SSE 12BL. Weighing 2.2 pounds and with 354 in-pounds of hard torque, 150.5 in-pounds of soft torque, the MetaBow SB12 drill presents itself as the baseline 12-volt model. This tool features a brushed motor and 20 clutch settings. It works well with a compact 2.0 amp-hour battery, which the kit includes. Weight is just 2.4 pounds with the 2.0 amp-hour battery pack. The MetaBow SB12BL drill comes in even smaller due to the size of a brushless motor. The tool weighs just 2.2 pounds with the 4 amp-hour battery pack. The MetaBow SSD12BL cordless impact wrench steps up to a brushless motor, giving the tool 1,260 in-pounds of max torque. TID18. This compact powerhouse offers an impressive service life thanks to its extremely robust hammer mechanism. The perfect combination of the new generation brushless EC-TEC motor and the battery pack ensure maximum performance and endurance. Long-lasting quality components, fully covered thanks to the comprehensive support provided by Festool Service. Thanks to the extremely powerful, brushless, and therefore long-lasting latest generation EC-TEC motor with 3-speed levels and T-mode specifically for self-tapping screws. kickback free hammer mechanism drives the fastener rather than spinning the drill around the screw, thus protecting your wrist. Compact design enables you to work accurately and for longer periods without becoming tired, even in hard-to-reach areas. 5-ton electric log splitter. The Ryobi 15-amp electric log splitter delivers a powerful 5 tons of splitting force. The 15-amp electric motor easily starts with the push of a button. No mixing of gas and oil or hassle maintaining a gas engine. The two-handed operation design maximizes user safety and control for ease of use. Reinforced with a heavy-duty steel frame for durability, this log splitter will withstand years of use. The compact design features front legs that double as a hand grip and wheels for easy one-person transport. The tough hydraulic function ensures the longest life possible, so you'll never need to split logs yourself. The machine can easily deal with any logs up to 500 millimeters long or 250 millimeters wide. Job site fan. Klein Tools' personal fan has multiple mounting options, keeping the fan off the dirty job site floor. Whether you mount it or simply sit the fan on a flat surface, airflow can be aimed in any direction with a fan change that rotates and spins 360 degrees. Features 2 long-lasting fan modes, low for 9 hours, high for 5 hours. At 10.5 inches tall, this fan is the ideal size to carry every day while producing powerful flow of air when it's hot and stuffy on the job. Incorporated into the base are 2 powerful magnets and a hang hole for mounting. Demolition hammer. The Einhell Demolition Hammer TEDH50 is the ideal tool for the keen DIY enthusiast, even on heavy demolition work tackled as a DIY project. With an impact rate of 1,800 strikes per minute and 50 joule single impact power delivered by the powerful 1,700 watt motor, the highest demolition performance is guaranteed in the home and garden, all with a vibration cushioned main handle for low vibration operations. The SDS Hex Tool Chuck 33mm allows for fast and problem-free tool changes. The additional handle on the TEDH50 is designed to allow adjustment through 180 degrees in the vertical direction and 360 degrees horizontally, so the demolition hammer can be adapted flexibly to any working position. The robust 4-meter rubber cable provides the greatest possible mobility. Carbon brushes, which switch off automatically, also prevent malfunctions and afford additional protection for the TEDH50. Einhell TECD12. The TECD12Li cordless drill screwdriver is a high-quality, high-performance, and compact tool for the highest demands on drilling and screw driving jobs everywhere in the home, workshop, and garage. The Einhell cordless drill TECD12Li is a high-quality and high-performance device that is employed in all drilling and screw driving jobs around the house, workshop, or garage. Thanks to the robust 2-speed metal gearing with right and left rotation and the precision electronic speed control, the device can be used in many ways. The drill is equipped with a lithium-ion battery that guarantees optimum control and long-term durability. Good power transmission is assured by the high-power and high-torque motor and a robust 2-speed metal gearing with reversing facility. Hilti SFE2A12. SFE2A12 is a tool that accepts challenges, and proof of that are the several applications it is capable of reaching, such as behind pipes, inside cabinets, and even inside light cans. The Hilti SFE2A12 comes with 4 attachments, all designed to work together to provide unfettered access to work in typically hard-to-reach areas and corners. SD5000A22. Cordless 22-volt drywall screwdriver with 5,000 RPM for hanging drywall, wood boards, and exterior sheathing. Fasten drywall faster the upgrade you've been waiting for. Hilti's new drywall screwdriver, SD5000A22, has been optimized with a brushless motor, allowing for increased speeds while maintaining market-leading torque. Virtually maintenance-free to minimize tool downtime, built for precise control. Redesigned switch and electronic brake help you to balance faster progress and consistent results. Bright LED provides direct illumination of the work surface. 300 grams lighter than the first-generation SD5000A22, with a well-balanced design which sits firmly in the user's grip. Brushless Earth Auger. DDG 460 is powered by Makita's 18-volt by 2 technology and features a powerful brushless motor, allowing you to get through the toughest drilling jobs. Featuring 2 speeds, the DDG 460 provides the versatility to drill into a variety of materials with a maximum drilling capacity of 200 mm in soft material and 150 mm in heavy material. The auger handle allows the user to have maximum control whilst drilling, and the reverse switch makes removal of the auger quick and easy. Powerhead is designed with a 3-planetary gear mechanism for high transmission efficiency. A brushless motor makes the digging process more smooth and efficient. Unlike gasoline augers, battery-powered augers produce no smog and are quieter. This product is equipped with an overload protector to prevent the power head from overheating. The wide-spaced handles, improved balance during operation. Landworks power head with ice auger bit attached can be used for ice fishing, ice burrowing, use inside a wheelhouse or aluminum shack or tent, and directly on the ice. Conduit benders with angle setters. Perform accurate conduit bends such as stub-ups, offsets, back-to-backs, and saddles repeatedly with the aluminum conduit bender. The wide foot pedal provides excellent stability and features angled grooves for extra traction. The bold cast-in benchmark symbols, degree scales, and multiplier scales help save time on the job. Traditional Benfield head design accurately and consistently performs common bends such as stub-ups, offsets, back-to-back, and saddle bends. Wide foot pedal provides excellent stability, leverage, and comfort. Bold cast-in benchmark symbols, degree scales, and multiplier scales help save time on the job. Aluminum hand benders have improved traditional hand benders by enlarging the hook, increasing the foot pedal size and clearance, highlighting the markings, and incorporating a dual sightline system for bending on the floor or in the air. PowerLink Bolt Cutter. The unique PowerLink geometry was developed using advanced computer-aided design to create a double compound action system with greater efficiency than traditional bolt cutters. Together with special engineered HKP center cut blades, PowerLink bolt cutters deliver superior cutting power and industry-leading blade durability. Tubular steel handles and forged PowerLinks deliver ultimate toughness, allowing the tool to stand up in the harshest work environments. With Power Pivot TM technology, an industrial-grade bolt cutter featuring more cutting power with 30% less effort. It's the perfect solution for production facilities, maintenance and repair operations, utilities, construction sites, oil and gas operations, and more. P-Series and H-Series headlamps. The H19R Core features a red light to preserve night vision, a swiveling lamp head, and removable battery with magnetic charging. This headlamp is both dustproof and waterproof, a perfect match for any challenge. The 130-degree rotating headlamp, quick magnetic charging, and extreme dust and water protections make the H7R Core a reliable multi-purpose portable light. The LED Lenser patented advanced focus system allows you to easily transition light from a broad flood beam to a sharply focused long-distance beam up to 820 feet. An IP67 rating means that your headlamp can be submerged up to 1 meter underwater for 30 minutes, drop-proof to 1.5 meters, and backed by LED Lenser's 7-year warranty. The lamp can light up to 1,000 lumens brightness. Press utility knife. With the folding metal knife, you decide when something is on the knife edge because you fold out the sturdy, sharp blade when you need it. Otherwise, it is safely stowed in an anodized aluminum handle. This means that you can even carry the sharp assistant in your trouser pocket. While others drive in the blade of the carpet knife, you fold it with one hand and unfold it again using just one finger. The blade locks in an unfolded state so that you can even cut hard materials easily and safely. Press hacksaw. The extremely sharp bimetal saw blade with specially hardened teeth is firmly held in tension by a solid bracket, ensuring a precise cutting result. The bimetal saw blade, made of HS and HC steel, is virtually indestructible, and with its specially hardened teeth, can handle not only pipes and sheets, but also solid steel pieces. The bimetal hacksaw with metal saw blade is extremely robust thanks to the combination of HS and HC steel. Not even steel and iron are safe from press handsaws. Packout. The Milwaukee Packout customizable worktop is constructed with impact-resistant polymers and a half-inch marine-grade wood top that provides a durable work surface for assembly and writing tasks. The customizable worktop has a 50-pound weight capacity and a fastener-ready design to attach vices, charges, and a variety of other items to the top of a Packout stack for easy and secure transport. The Packout modular storage system is the industry's most durable and versatile storage system. Paint Eater. The Wagner Paint Eater is an electric palm sander that efficiently strips away flaking finishes, leaving you with a smooth surface to apply a fresh new coat. Prepping your deck, fence, or home exterior with the Paint Eater allows for the new coat of paint to adhere better, giving you a longer-lasting finish. The Paint Eater features a high-performance spun fiber disc that operates at 2,000 RPM to easily remove chipped finishes on wood, masonite siding, concrete, steel, and more. The disc conforms to surfaces and provides ultimate control, so you don't have to worry about damaging delicate areas. The Paint Eater's ergonomic design allows for multiple hand positions to reduce hand fatigue. Plus, the sander features a retractable handle and soft grip cover to easily switch between one or two-handed operation. Rigid PC116 Power Tubing Cutter. The brand new PC116 Power Tubing Cutter is an efficient, portable, durable, and reliable professional tubing processing and pre-treatment machine which can quickly cut stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, aluminum, plastic, and tubes and other materials. The cold cut power technology realizes safe and labor-saving high-efficiency cutting. The portable design enables it to be easily carried to the workplace, and it can provide longer service life by means of equipped with high-strength alloy steel blade. PC116 Power Tubing Cutter is an ideal choice for commercial and domestic water supply, gas construction site, factory workbench, ground, and other different working environments. Fast moving forward and backward cutter system, fast arrival at the cutting position, and the cutting can be completed in high speed. Blade replacement is free of tool to save replacement time. Cold cutting method, no spark, smooth cutting end face, avoiding corrosion and leakage risk. Roller is provided with anti-rust treatment to provide corrosion on the outer wall of the tubing. The weight is about 14 kilograms, compact in size, and portable handle and cord binding device are more convenient to carry and store. High-low, 2-level rotating speed, reduce the risk of tubing swing, and maintain good stability. Pedal switch, capable of cutting off the power in case of accident to protect the user's safety. Pro Plugger. The Pro Plugger 5-in-1 planting tool is a tool that won't collect dust in your shed. Year-round application. A long-handled bulb planter for spring and fall bulbs. A lawn and sod plugger for planting and transplanting creeping tight grass, not recommended for St. Augustine grass. A weeder for deep taproot weeds like wild onions, thistles, and dandelions. A planting tool for annuals, ground covers, vegetables, and plants sold in flats and trays. A soil sampler tool for soil testing. Also makes a great drip edge fertilizing tool for your trees. Step, twist, pull, and you're ready to plant. Dig 2 and 1/8 inch diameter planting holes quickly, one after another, from a comfortable standing position. Soil gets stored in the tool as you work and empties by turning the tool upside down. Depth rings allows you to consistently dig perfect planting holes at 2-inch, 4-inch, and even 6 inches deep. Avoid digging in dry or overly saturated soil. The Pro Plugger 5-in-1 planting tool allows you to work from a standing position, saving your back and knees. Comfortable, sturdy hand grips are helpful for seniors or those with mild arthritis. Grill floss. It is the only grill cleaning tool in the entire barbecue world that can reach around and clean all sides of each grill grate, scraping off caked-on grease with an easy push, turn, and pull. Unlike a wire grill brush with dangerous bristles that can rub off and get into your food, the uniquely designed grill floss cleaning head wraps around each grill rod, scraping it to clean all around. It is truly safer to use than any barbecue grill brush. Grill floss is a must-have tool for every grill enthusiast who takes pride in cooking over a clean grilling surface. 50-foot drain auger kit. Ryobi introduces the 18-volt 1+ hybrid drain auger kit with a 50-foot cable, 2 amp-hour battery, 18-volt charger, and accessories. This tool features a variable speed dial to power through the toughest clogs. The adjustable base and pivoting drum allow optimum angles in your drain. With quick change replaceable tips and drum, the 1+ hybrid 50-foot drain auger kit guarantees convenience when handling a variety of clogs. This tool clears clogs from drains up to 3 inches wide with a 50-foot reinforced cable to minimize kinking. Best of all, this kit is part of the Ryobi One+ system of over 175 cordless tools that all work on the same battery platform. Backed by the Ryobi 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Mr. Heater Hero. The Mr. Heater Hero is the first cordless forced air heater in the world, featuring quiet burner technology. New from Mr. Heater is the Hero, a 60,000 BTU cordless propane-powered forced air heater. Powered by propane and a 12-volt lead-acid battery, this is the future of job site heat. Cut the cord for 4 hours on a single 5-hour charge, or 8 hours with an optional second battery. Equipped with Mr. Heater's patented quiet burner technology, this heater burns with 40% less noise, making the job site safer and enabling you to work with a little more peace and quiet. Operates while charging. 1 battery recharges in 3 hours or 2 in 6 hours. Fine Ergo Grip Die Grinder. Introducing Fine Grinder with ergonomic handles that provide maximum contact between hand and machine, can be operated safely on every application and optimally transforms the applied force into effective work progress. Longer carbon brush life and tool removes more material than comparable angle grinders. Solid metal gearbox head for maximum robustness and service life. Safety hood can be adjusted without tools and has an anti-twist protection. Unique ergonomic concept for fatigue-free working, patent pending. Also includes an auto-stop deadman switch. Durable overload protection. Fine motor with high copper content for maximum power. Even with gloves, the fine, compact angle grinders with Ergo Grip fit the hand perfectly and can be held and controlled safely. The excellent grip not only promotes efficiency and work progress, it also increases safety when handling the machine. Rover. Rover Dual Power Floodlight provides you with 4,000 lumens of true view high-definition output designed to fill large areas with light. The Rover Floodlight features 3 modes and up to 12 hours of runtime when paired with an M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack. This portable task light features an AC port, giving you the option to plug in a 120-volt extension cord for all-day performance. The light head rotates 120 degrees to direct light in multiple orientations. Its compact size and integrated handle allows you to easily transport or store it in bags, carts, and job boxes. Also included with the floodlight are integrated keyholes for hanging on overhead surfaces. The dual power floodlight features an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance with an impact-resistant design, making it able to withstand harsh job site conditions. Tradesman Tumbler. Tumbler uses double-wall vacuum insulated stainless steel to keep liquid cold up to 12 hours and hot up to 4 hours. Double-wall vacuum insulated stainless steel with a rugged, textured silicone outer sleeve for slip resistance. The unique double-thread lid design allows for easy twisting with gloves on or off, while the flip-top lid provides a spill-resistant seal when closed. Secure tumbler to ferromagnetic surfaces with a removable rare earth magnetic lanyard made from BPA-free food-grade materials. Removable rare earth magnetic lanyard helps secure tumbler to metal objects. Slip-resistant bottom pad friction grips to most surfaces. Pot lifter. If you want to move your plant pots but are worried about straining your back, the Pot Lifter Heavy Lifting Gardening Tool is perfect for you to help move or lift those heavy garden and yard objects. Pot Lifter is an extremely durable and versatile lifting tool that easily adjusts to enable lifting of objects from 12 to 27 inches in diameter and readily lifts objects weighing up to 200 pounds. It is ideal for lifting heavy and awkward objects such as flower pots, potted plants, planters, trees, garden supplies like mulch and firewood, landscaping stones, tree root balls, and more. This do-it-yourself yard tool has been rigorously engineered and is built of durable, high-strength polymers, and it discreetly stores away when not in use. It saves your back from strenuous activity, and 2 people can easily lift up to 200 pounds without stooping or straining. Never strain yourself again moving those heavy yard objects with the handy and multi-use Pot Lifter Gardening Heavy Lifting Tool. Sealy MR1 Car Lift. Ramp 3-ton. Compact, convenient, and innovative. 3-ton rated car ramps supplied with 4 stands and removable lifting beam, capable of raising a vehicle completely off the ground, giving a clear workspace between vehicle and floor. Designed so the track width can be adjusted to fit various makes and models of cars, with maximum tire width of 380 millimeters. Excellent for general servicing, exhaust work repairing damaged jacking points, sills, floor panels, and undersealing. Will fit within confined areas such as garages and workshops. Safe and efficient operation gives a clear workspace between the raised vehicle and floor. Requires a jack with a saddle height no taller than 100 millimeters and a maximum diameter of 120 millimeters to lift its jacking beam to a position where its stands can be inserted. Wolfcraft Grill Brush. When the cooking grate is clean, the perfectly spiced fish and the finely tasted vegetables do not taste after the steak of yesterday. Brush off the grill grate before each use with the grill brush so that every grill dish is a real pleasure. Cleaning your barbecue should not be a nuisance. With the Wolfcraft's Grill Brush, you will be easy to clean every day. Simply heat your grill to the maximum temperature so that all grill residues burn. After about 10 minutes, brush the grate with the grill brush. Sod cutter. Cuts up to 30 feet of sod in 40 seconds. Cuts uniform 12-inch strips quickly and smoothly. Nylon bearings, one-piece welded frame, and varnished hardwood handles. Blade is heat-treated and fully adjustable. Cutting depth is set at 2¼ inches, but can be set deeper by loosening the metal straps and dropping the blade. To go shallower, just hold the handles up higher as you operate it. Works 20. 2-in-1 capabilities allow this hedge trimmer to be adjusted from a straight traditional trimmer to a telescopic pole attachment. Compact and lightweight design makes this tool easy to move around the yard. It includes 10 adjustable positions to fit any shape or size shrubbery. Miter saw stand with extendable arms. The Evolution miter saw stand with extension arms is lightweight but sturdy. Quick to assemble, foldable legs make the stand easy to pack away and transport, while the height adjustable arms are able to support workpieces up to 3 meters in length. Quick release mounting brackets allow the removal of tools quickly and also ensure the stand is compatible with almost every make of miter saw. Rollers and end stops keep everything in the right place while in use. The Evolution miter saw stand complements the range of miter saws with its lightweight and portable frame that can be extended telescopically to support up to 3-meter workpieces and up to 150 kilograms of weight, then folded down to be stored away. The stand weighs 15 kilograms and can be carried with one hand from the center bar. The 4 legs of the stand can be opened by simply pushing in the pins to release them. Universal turbo nozzle. The universal heat welding nozzle can heat weld any flooring material consistently without scorching or burning the material. Used in combination with the turbo roller guide, you can heat weld grate seams at any skill level. Designed to concentrate the hot air on the heat welding rod and in the center of the groove to prevent burning the flooring material. Build with 43 preheating jets to preheat the flooring material. Melt the welding rod and fuse the two together for the strongest weld possible. Used with the turbo roller guide, this heat welding nozzle will always stay in the groove and prevent the rod from jumping out of the groove. Made to be used at any skill level without compromising the welding results. You are able to set the perfect angle, pressure, and heat. Just set it and forget it. Force Logic. The industry's first press tool with remote tracking, management, and lockout, the M18 Force Logic press tool with one key is the smallest, most intelligent press tool on the market. Featuring an inline design and brushless motor, this state-of-the-art tool enables more runtime per charge and faster cycle times, all while being significantly smaller and nearly 20% lighter than the leading competitor. Like all Milwaukee press tools, the inline design with a forward hand position unlocks the ability to press with one hand and will fit nearly anywhere an installer can fit their arm. Equipped with RedLink electronics, the M18 Force Logic press tool with one key also provides the highest level of press accuracy and reliability available in the industry. Auto Cycle ensures a full press every time, and the pre-press battery check prevents the tool from starting a press it can't complete. One key enabled, this tool logs and uploads data from every press for retrieval via the One Key desktop or mobile app, allowing for performance monitoring and providing peace of mind in quality connections. With a 1/2-inch to 4-inch capacity and compatibility with over 20 unique fitting systems, the M18 Force Logic press tool is a comprehensive press solution for plumbers and mechanical contractors. Midwest Fasteners. 7 in a series. This video shows welding with the capacitor discharge stud process for CD weld pins and CD stud sizes. On-screen demonstration is made of this stud welding process, stud welder parts and components, leading up to welding operation this high-speed process. Popular types of weld pins and weld studs are shown with installation techniques. Midwest Fasteners Incorporated, an industry leader in the manufacture and supply of stud welding products, shows the preparation for stud welding with CD welding equipment. From steps in the process to components of the welder, as well as demonstration of actual CD weld gun setup, are shown in an easy-to-follow set of steps for both capacitor discharge weld pins and weld studs. With products and services made in the USA, Midwest Fasteners can be your single-source stud welding specialists. CD welding is part of a larger family of fastening methods known as stud welding. In addition to using readily available electricity, CD stud welding systems are very portable, feature simple, lightweight weld equipment, work in short, low-temperature weld cycles, and can be used on sheet metal thickness material to create high-strength welded fasteners in lots of varieties, all without the problems of burn-through or piercing the metal they are welded to. The Midwest Fasteners CD Stud Welder offers strength, speed, and reliability from a simple process and weld system. The capacitor discharge process occurs in 4 steps: contact, ignition, placement of the stud, and completion of the weld bond. For a closer look at the steps in CD stud welding, we'll use a simple portable Midwest Fasteners capacitor discharge system. First, the fastener is held by the stud gun, allowing it to contact the material. Next, the CD gun is triggered, passing the weld charge through the gun, giving ignition of the stud at the stud tip. As the tip melts, a small area of the material under the head of the fastener also melts simultaneously. The CD gun forces the stud into the melted material, closing the space between fastener and material and landing the fastener properly. Finally, the stud is held in place as it instantly bonds together with the base material. Clark Electric Tile Cutter. Well suited to both domestic and light trade use, the Clark ETC 180 electric tile cutter is ideal for fast, accurate cutting of ceramic tiles, quarry tiles, slates, and stones. The diamond rim cutting wheel makes short work of most ceramics, and an enclosed water reservoir minimizes dust levels and lubricates the blade. The tabletop includes a recessed measuring scale for precise straight cutting. Enclosed water reservoir minimizes dust levels and lubricates the blade. The heavy-duty 600-watt electric wet tile cutter uses ultra-thin cutting blade, and the no-load speed achieves 3,000 RPM. The cutting is quick and efficient, can prevent material loss. The electric tile cutter has a large workbench, can provide safe support for different sized tiles, including large tiles. And besides, the workbench is tiltable. Its angle can be adjusted up to 45 degrees, convenient for to operate. Go-to socket. The go-to socket will grip harder than any other socket you can buy, and it will remove rounded bolts faster than any other solution on the market. Have a problem bolt you're trying to remove? The go-to socket is your solution. When you are faced with a rounded off, rusted tight, or painted over bolt extractors will not work. You probably know because you have tried it already. The go-to socket is specially designed and patented to remove problem bolts. How it grips so hard? It's a simple idea. Trap, wedge, and turn. Just get our socket onto a bolt, and as you tighten the set screw, the bolt heads wedged into a corner from 3 sides. Fence wire tensioning tool. Product designed for tensioning wire, including barbed wire up to 4 millimeters diameter, prior to stapling onto wooden fence posts, manufactured from carbon steel hardened and tempered with 600 millimeter long handle for excellent leverage and a pivoting Dur-Bar steel locating foot to grip any post type whilst straining wire. All Draper tools are manufactured to standards that are strictly controlled by our quality control engineers. They offer good value for money and a number of useful features to improve the performance of the product. Montolit. Multifunction, power, and precision are the main features of this innovative tile cutter. 100% made in Italy, Master Puma is the lightest, most professional tile cutters. This range of super professional manual tile cutter can cut all types of tile with thickness of 0 to 22 millimeters, quickly and accurately. Thanks to the large protractor square, even diagonal cutting is safe and simple. Master Puma tile cutter has a structure in die-cast aluminum and nickel-plated steel for maximum strength and weather resistance. Cut-off device made of special non-scratch plastic. Titanium wheel as standard, special for porcelain tile. Protractor square and extension close away without protruding beyond the profile of the cutter. Sprung tables for safe tile splitting, and extendable support rod for large format tiles. Clark Log Buster. Clark Log Buster is a heavy-duty log splitter capable of splitting logs up to 450 millimeters in length. This model has 2 speeds. The fast option takes only 5 seconds to complete the forward stroke, and the second speed option helps to split the larger sizes of logs. Log Buster comes supplied with a duo blade and is fitted with a ram stop, allowing the user to shorten the distance the ram needs to travel before splitting shorter logs, saving time and electric cost. When used in conjunction with the duo cut blade, the Log Buster has an effective splitting capacity of 16 tons. Featuring 2-hand operation and supplied with the workbench and safety guard, using a log splitter has never been safer. Once attached, the safety guard allows you to split logs and contain them. This prevents any debris leaving the cage, in turn greatly reducing the risk of injury. TorqueMaster. TorqueMaster screwdrivers give up to 50% more turning power than conventional screwdrivers. TorqueMaster screwdrivers feature ergonomic handles made of PVC composite rubber to give non-slip and positive grip. Blades made from S3 SVCM alloy steel, hardened, tempered, and satin chrome plated. The unique ergonomic TorqueMaster screwdriver with the hand and its pressured zones to transmit the maximum torque. Magnetic tips for greater grip control. Popular slotted and Phillips size and tool kit allows you to complete a wide variety of automotive, hardware, industrial, and DIY tasks. The TorqueMaster Custom Grip gives you up to 50% more turning power than conventional screwdrivers. The ergonomically designed handles are made of PVC rubber compound to provide a non-slip and positive grip. Constructed of S3 SVCM alloyed steel, hardened, tempered, and satin chrome plated, and backed by a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. The hand tools feature magnetic tips for added closure control and comes conveniently packaged in a blow mold case for organization and storage. The head-hanging hole is designed for convenient placement. It can also be used as the T-lever principle. Insert the lever for more torque. RevelCam. RevelCam is an innovative approach to improving your smartphone camera. The compact, easy-to-use design fits on any smartphone, giving you many creative options. With 3 lenses that can be swapped in seconds with just a flick of the finger. Thanks to the revolving design, this is smartphone photography evolved. The wide-angle, fisheye, and macro lenses give you incredible options for any situation, including a built-in mirror for high-quality selfies and a detachable LED light for perfect photos in any conditions. RevelCam is the ultimate camera solution for your smartphone, helping you capture memories in perfect detail. With the choice of lenses and included lighting, with RevelCam, you will never miss a moment again. 3-in-1 multi-lens system, giving you a choice of wide-angle, fisheye, and macro lenses. RevelCam opens up the creative options for smartphones like never before. Get in close with the macro lens. capture glorious landscape vistas with a wide-angle lens, and explore the creativity of the fisheye. Because you can swap lenses at will in a second, you always have every option available all the time. Igloo Home Smart Mortise 2 Plus. No more hassle of locating forgotten keys and replacing missing ones. No more frustration of accidental lockouts. No more fumbling for keys. It's fuss-free living. Unlock with a PIN code or a Bluetooth key on your smartphone or a key card. Different modes of entry are offered for flexibility of access. The physical key is still available as a backup. Grant access to your home even when you're away. With the Igloo Home mobile app, create PIN codes or Bluetooth keys and select how long you want them to be valid for. Send them to your visitors from the app. Igloo Home Lock works with innovative technology involving encryption and synchronization. Internet not required for the lock, hence increasing reliability against Wi-Fi hacking. Track the dates and times at which visitors enter your home. Greater visibility on access brings you greater peace of mind. Print Cube. It's ultra lightweight, fits in the palm of your hand, and lets you create fast, vivid color printing anywhere. It works over Wi-Fi with your phone to easily upload any text, image, or design. Instantly print onto virtually any object or surface at the touch of a button. This incredible, lightweight, color printer is portable enough to take the power of inkjet printing on the go anywhere you want. The world's smallest portable printer. With this genius portable printer, you can now print literally anywhere. Presh Combination Pliers. This combination pliers is a multi-talent. It has a triple function. Not only can it be used as a normal pair of pliers, but it can also exert pressure and cut precisely. A real all-rounder, which no workshop can be without. Thanks to the flat jaws, integrated inductively hardened cutting edges, and the gripping surfaces, this pair of pliers becomes a universal tool. It does not matter if you have to grab, cut, bend, or hold something. Everything is possible with this hand tool. Spare space in the toolbox. Club Hammer. Are you a craftsman with high-quality standards? Then this club hammer is perfect for you. This hammer is precisely forged, convinces with enormous power, and always sits well in your hand, thanks to innovative fiberglass handle. The hammer, with a 1.5 kilogram head, is used whenever an enormous impact is needed, whether for renovation work in the house or at work as a roofer or stonemason. Everything that does not fit is made to fit. With the Presh Club Hammer, no wall is an obstacle. Hulk Electro. This electric-powered whacker plate is ideal for surface preparation when the evenly compacted ground is required and suitable for sub-base preparation, sand, gravel, crusher run, soil, small aggregates, patios, block paving, driveways, pathways, and tarmac repairs. Powered by a 130-watt electric induction motor means no harmful fumes are emitted, unlike petrol-powered compactors, making it ideal for use in enclosed spaces. It is a highly reliable, portable, quiet, and low-maintenance power unit with a vibration damper system for increased user comfort. Added roll bars, which offer increased strength and protection during transportation. It takes up little space whilst offering great performance, and the easy fold hinged handle improves storage. Pack Tool Fiber Cement Blades. Pack Tool Fiber Cement saw blades are designed for ripping and cutting fiber cement. The blades have fewer cutting teeth, which minimizes dust. Perfect for circular, miter, and table saws. Fiber cement cutting circular saw blades are designed for cutting all fiber cement boards, including hard-to-plank, hard-to-backer, Durock, and certain teed. These blades were constructed for their outstanding cutting performance and feature flat-top ground modified tungsten carbide teeth. Deep gullets on the blade increase material removal and provide cleaner, more precise cuts, while the thin kerf allows for fast cuts with less dust. 3/8-inch drive socket set. Socket wrench set is made from forged CRV alloy steel that is heat-treated and chrome-plated for anti-rust, increased strength, and long life. The patented carry bracket can be rotated 360 degrees for easy access to plugs and extension bar hidden behind the rack. Designated slots keep each plug neatly organized. The ratchet wrench comes with a button ball bearing quick release mechanism that allows for quick and easy socket change. The 72-tooth reversible ratchet ensures a smooth ratchet in both directions and a precise fit, so it works with limited space. Hinged cutter. Hinged pipe cutters feature 4 wheels to cut steel, stainless steel, cast, and ductile iron with only 90 degrees to 110 degree handle swing. Only 4 inches or 125 millimeter clearance is required around the pipe. Strong guide fingers ensure perfect wheel alignment for square cuts. A closed 360-degree frame on the hinged pipe cutter forces all energy into cutting the pipe for maximum efficiency. There is no shower of sparks in this cold cut. Reed has the only hinged pipe cutter that tracks every time, and the only one recommended for ductile iron, steel, and stainless steel to Schedule 100. Wheels for same size cutters are interchangeable. Recommend only Reed cutter wheels be used with these hinged cutters. Reed wheels are made from high shock resistant tool steel on computerized CNC machines and then precisely heat treated. DeWalt Pressure Ready. Perform professional tasks with the Pressure Ready gas-powered cold water pressure washer. It comes equipped with 4 stainless steel quick connect nozzles built to handle demanding jobs. Squeeze the spray gun trigger to activate the Pressure Ready technology battery-operated electric starting system with no need to adjust the choke or pull the recoil rope. To save on fuel and reduce noise, the unit shuts off after a few seconds of inactivity. When you're ready to get back to work, just squeeze the trigger. The battery-operated Pressure Ready Smart Control panel is designed with a built-in LED diagnostic screen. This screen indicates the specific mode the pressure washer is in, such as ready mode and water flow, and it alerts you with fault codes like no fuel and low battery. NFU50. The NFU50 router can be used flexibly and is an all-rounder for a wide variety of routing in timber construction. A wide range of special accessories extends the possibilities in the daily job. The NFU50 router can be used flexibly and is an all-rounder for a wide variety of routing in timber construction. A wide range of special accessories extends the possibilities in the daily job. The rotatable 58mm suction nozzle for large amounts of chips can be positioned using a locking function. With the 2-in-1 function, the milling depth can be set quickly and easily. With a single push of a button, the NFU can be detached from the cap rail and used freehand or on the guide rail. The hydraulic brake stops the tool within 3 seconds. The flashing LED light signals to the user that the milling tool is still rotating. Adjustable height work table. Versatile, dual-function fabrication table, ideal when cutting, grinding, or polishing an already cut to size piece. Serves as a work table in the horizontal position and as a slab dolly in the vertical position. The tabletop is adjustable for different sloping positions and height adjustable to suit the specific physical needs of the person in order to maintain optimum ergonomic positioning. with 4 adjustable leveling posts for stability and removable center braces for convenience when working with sinkhole cutouts. Tabletop lined with wood to minimize damage to workpieces. 3-in-1 backpack vacuum. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 3-in-1 backpack vacuum brings unmatched performance, portability, and versatility to the job site cleanup. The PowerState brushless motor and cyclonic vacuum technology deliver up to 2 times more suction than competitors. The portable backpack vacuum cleans up drywall dust, concrete dust, wood, metal shavings, and other common job site debris quicker and more efficiently. An integrated quick-release removable harness with an integrated canister hook to allow the user to wear, hang, and carry the canister vacuum for ultimate cordless cleaning versatility. At only 76 decibels, the cordless vacuum is up to 3 times quieter than a traditional job site shop vac. As a part of the M18 system of tools, it is powered by red lithium battery packs, which deliver up to 25 minutes of runtime on a high-demand 9.0 battery pack in high mode and over 40+ minutes of runtime in low mode. Matco Universal Work Light. Introducing Matco Universal Work Light. Comes with 2,100 lumens to light up an entire engine bay or anywhere you need. 16 feet quick-release charging adapter for durable, easy-to-connect charging while using the work light. Up to 5 hours of runtime for long, consistent use with 2.5 hours use on the high setting. This universal work light has a strong magnetic swivel bracket to allow for 180 degrees of angled light for all mounting locations, even inverted. Have TPR bumper to provide superior drop strength and low temperature touch points for any rough and tough use. 50,000 hour, 6,070 CRI COB LED technology for quality light in an efficient multi-year manner. It has an aerospace-grade casted aluminum and fiber-reinforced nylon frame components for incredible strength. Tormek SVD 186R Gouge Jig. With the Tormek Gouge Jig SVD 186R, you can easily sharpen your fingernail-shaped wood-turning gouges to a razor sharpness. The high level of control enables you to exactly replicate your chosen profile. With this gouge sharpening jig, you can also sharpen wood carving tools with complex shapes such as curved or bent carving gouges and V-tools. The jig can be set for various lengths of the side bevel. Create your own profile recipe or choose one of the recommended ones from the profile selection chart in the instructions. You can also sharpen your turning cutters with SVD 186R. Mount your cutter onto the special shaft that is included with the jig, and you get a controlled sharpening. 3-in-1 Slotted Impact Socket. The 3-in-1 slotted impact socket features an alignment slot to tighten and loosen most hotline clamps. The single socket offers hands-free adjustment between the sizes needed for pole hardware installation and removal. It includes a 3/4 inch and 9/16 inch hex sizes in a high torque. 12-point design is easier to position and works with square fasteners. Engineered to be used with an impact driver. Impact socket features an alignment slot to tighten and loosen most hotline clamps. Cross-hole design to prevent unintentional separation of adapter and socket. Engineered for use with impact tools, including Klein Tools Compact Impact Wrench and Drill. Tone and Probe Pro. This kit includes the tools necessary to tone and trace wires in common wiring systems. This premium tone generator has angled bed of nails, ABN clips, that securely grip the cable. Tone generator emits 5 distinct tones. An RJ11 plug easily connects to a telephone. An RJ11 plug easily connects to telephone or RJ45 data jacks for toning. The toner also checks continuity and polarity that are indicated by clearly labeled LEDs. The probe traces with the tone signal. The adjustable volume speaker amplifies the tone. The 3.5mm jack allows for headphones to be attached in noisy environments. The probe has a toolless, non-metallic, durable, replaceable tip. The probe enables testing in distribution blocks without disturbing other services, includes a professional-grade tone generator and tracing probe for non-energized wiring, responsive probe with durable non-metallic replaceable conductive tip. E2000X. Full-featured wire stripping powerhouse. Has all the power and features of the E2000, but is enhanced with the new spiral groove technology feeder drive, double slider front guide, built-in Romex adapter, and the newly designed DC speed controller. The spiral groove feeder technology ensures precise cuts even on twisted or stranded wire. The double slider feed-in mechanism makes quick work of changing wire sizes and guiding the wire a breeze. The built-in Romex adapter makes stripping America's most commonly used house wire 33% faster. The newly designed PWM variable speed controlled DC drive make machine run quiet, smoothly, and energy efficient. Also includes an emergency stop button for better safety. Unique industry first, 1 horsepower DC variable speed motor coupled with a precision gearbox delivers high torque and precise adjustable cutting speeds. Montolit Lift Tile. Lift Tile is an innovative wheeled system able to handle with extreme ease slabs until 250 kilograms at a maximum height of 2.5 meters. This tool is equipped with 8 solid suckers. With safety gauge vacuum system, freely movable on necessity, the system can be easily controlled by one single worker. This astonishing tool can unbox, transport, and lay the slab directly on the job site. The manual working principle and the absence of electricity make this tool the simplest and professional way of working with slabs in any situation. 8-inch suction cups are equipped with a vacuum safety gauge to indicate the force of suction before moving on or lifting. Placement of suction cups is customizable to better suit the tile or slab that you are moving. Telescopic handles for a much more ergonomic grip and comfort. It is designed for handling and positioning the latest generation large format 300 by 150 centimeter porcelain stoneware slabs. Montolit Lift Tile differs from other frames on the market because it has the possibility to position the suction cups according to the size of the tile slab, together with the workings that are realized in the plate. The lift tile carrying frame enables movement of the tile slabs in both horizontal and vertical positions and is equipped with telescopic feet to allow support on the ground so that the tile is held in the frame without being damaged. In case of thin or reduced thickness tile slabs, it is recommended that extra suction cups are added to avoid harmful bending of the plate. Lift tile is made of galvanized steel to resist wear and corrosion. Brushless String Trimmer. Brushless String Trimmer delivers you more clearing power and a larger cutting swath than battery-powered competitors. The brushless motor was built and optimized specifically for trimming applications and provides up to 6,200 RPM. Paired with RedLink intelligence and an M18 red lithium high-output battery, the trimmer provides efficient power delivery, providing you with longer runtime. The trimmer features high and low speed settings with a variable speed trigger. High speed provides the power to make on-demanding applications, and low speed maximizes runtime while having plenty of power for grass trimming. The 16-inch cutting swath trims more grass in a single pass, which increases your productivity. 20-volt brushless circular saw. At less than 4 pounds, the Work Saw is the circ saw to use when you don't want a big and heavy traditional circular saw to lug around. Despite its slim, compact design, this saw has the functional power of a much larger saw. How is that possible? The arbor on its blade is only 3/8 inch, half the thickness of blades on full-size saws, so the brushless motor can spin it twice as fast. The one-hand design makes it easy to use. Einhell TECD12. The Einhell TECD12/1 Li 2x2.0 amp-hour cordless drill is a helpful and robust assistant for screwdriving and drilling jobs in the home, workshed, and garage. Thanks to the lithium-ion technology, The drill screwdriver is always ready to use without self-discharging. The 2-speed gearing provides the drill screwdriver with power and dynamic performance, while the electric speed control with 20 torque settings ensures that the tool can be adjusted to the particular material and application in every situation. For optimum illumination of dark work areas, the cordless drill screwdriver is equipped with LED lighting. With the ergonomic design and service-proven soft grip, exceptionally easy handling has been given a high priority. The robust metal gearing was developed with maximum durability in mind. The charger has one of the 2.0 amp-hour rechargeable batteries charged up and ready for use in 45 minutes, and is also included with the accessories. Ryobi Bench Sander. This Ryobi 4-inch by 36-inch belt disc sander is a combination belt and disc sander that delivers 120 volts of power to help provide efficient operation. The cast iron base helps keep the sander stable during use so you can apply the desired amount of pressure and achieve consistent results. The sanding bed can be positioned horizontally or vertically for your convenience, and the lockout power switch helps provide safety. Belt arm can be positioned from 0 degrees to 90 degrees to allow vertical or horizontal sanding. Multi-position work table provides 0 degrees to 45 degrees support, while disc sanding tool-free belt tension release makes changing sanding belts quick and easy. Large belt tracking knob for easy belt positioning. Cast iron base for additional stability and less vibration. Integrated dust port for optimal dust collection. Induction motor for quiet, dependable operation. Miter gauge included for use on 0 to 45 degree pivoting table. Ryobi Hammer Drill Kit. The Ryobi 18-volt 1+ 1/2-inch cordless hammer drill kit features a variable 2-speed transmission for precision and versatility and delivers up to 1500 RPM and 19,500 BPM for powerful performance. Its 24-position clutch handles high torque applications, and the clutch override allows quick mode changes from drilling to driving. The grip zone oversold enhances user comfort, and the mag tray magnetic holder accommodates screws and bits. Also included in this kit are a Ryobi 18-volt 1+ compact lithium-ion battery and a dual chemistry charger. Its 1/2-inch single-sleeve keyless chuck with spindle lock for quick, easy bit changes. The new and improved grip zone oversold for optimum grip and user comfort. Have a mag tray magnetic holder for convenient placement of bits and screws. Festool stirrers. Thick clouds of dust when stirring are a thing of the past. With the MX stirrers, along with the MX dust extraction, which is simply clipped onto the edge of the bucket, you can mix any material in future almost without any dust whatsoever. This not only benefits your lungs, but your back as well. Thanks to the flexible ErgoFit height adjustment, you will work upright and spare your back in the process. The powerful motors combined with the sturdy transmission ensure maximum traction and a long service life. If you take a break, the non-slip rubber corners hold the stirrer on the wall. And when the work is done, you'll not only find that the stirrers are quickly and easily cleaned, ready for transport, but your construction site is clean too. Wen 3¼ electric hand planer. Perfect for fixing stubborn doors and reshaping post edges. This power planer's 6-amp motor delivers over 34,000 cuts per minute to your workpiece, slicing away any irregularities until the surface of your boards are aligned and smooth. With a cutting width of 3¼ inches and a maximum cutting depth of 1/8 inch, you'll have the perfect companion for preparing reclaimed wood back into perfectly usable boards. The The 16 positive stops increase in increments of 1 1/128 inch, anywhere from 0 all the way up to 1/8 inches. The base plate shoe even includes a V-shaped groove for easily flattening sharp post corners. Aside from the power planer, this package also includes a dust bag, a rabbiting guide, a kickstand, and a parallel fence bracket. Socket Installation Guide. The Wolfcraft template for all types of hollow wall boxes is an essential tool needed for DIY socket installation and other related projects. This drilling template for all standard electric socket combinations is an indispensable helper for determining the correct spacing between electric sockets and switches, as well as between switches and door frames. The marks for the common spacings are 57.1 and 91 millimeters, are already integrated. One vertical and one horizontal level make it easier to perform reliable adjustment without additional tools. Once the marks are set, the whole saw can be reliably aligned with them. This rules out drilling mistakes. It is a sensible investment that saves time and stress, particularly when placing multiple switches. TacoCraft 7 Stapler. The Wolfcraft TacoCraft 7 Stapler is a robust metal stapler with adjustable stapling force. The TacoCraft 7 Stapler set is the ideal helper for renovation and for all works when a powerful bonding is needed. The stapler has an integrated staple lift and is easy to use. The hinged magazine enables a fast and easy change of staples. The robust metal stapler with adjustable stapling force. For redecoration jobs, for all jobs when a powerful bonding is needed, metal body for high stability, adjustable impact power. Greenlee Step Bits. The Greenlee Step Bit design has several features and benefits. 1. They offer a unique split-tip design to provide faster penetration that resists walking or skidding. 2. The deep double flute design requires less operator force, provides efficient chip removal, and adds to an increased cutting speed. 3. The Greenlee Step Bits are made from a high-grade tool steel with a steam oxide coating, allowing for a longer tool life. 4. The dual cutting edge improves the tool balance and cutting speed, providing a consistent tool performance. 5. Lastly, our step bits are manufactured in the USA. Turbo Plane. The turbo plane cuts the first and second pass at once to ensure a clean and smooth finish. Turbo Plane's exclusive cutting design cuts 2 passes of welding rod in 1 pass. Simply push the turbo plane forward and it will make the first and final trim cuts at the same time. The adjusting feature ensures a perfectly smooth and flush finish every time. K09 Synchro Crimper. This cable crimper is made of high-quality 45 steel, sturdy and durable to use, specially thicken and reinforce the metal plate on crimp head to be stronger. The handle of the wire crimper is long for 10 inch and wrapped with soft rubber. Ergonomic lever structure design can increase friction and help you use less effort when crimping. Engraved crimp groove allows for easy verification that the connection was made properly. Color-coded 1-dial die selection wheel for quick and easy die selection. In this crimping tool set, they offer a professional cable crimper and a cable wire cutter. Can work for most heavy stripping and crimping work. Works for bare cable of 6 to 50 millimeters square. Widely application in automatic electronics work. K09 Synchro Crimper tool is durable to use. Precise crimping molds and complete locking, self-locking and releasing mechanic unit ensure high crimping quality when crimping repeatedly. Keyhole Companion. Hate dealing with keyhole slots? Tired of measuring for keyhole slots, making multiple marks on a surface, and still having crooked objects or objects that won't mount? Or using paper templates that take extra time to make? Keyhole Companion can help. Quickly and easily mark fastener mounting locations for frames, shelving, power strips, electronic equipment, and more with the Keyhole Companion. The patent-pending Keyhole Companion was conceived while battling to mount a power strip with keyhole slots. Mounting an object using keyhole slots is frustrating at best, requiring either multiple measurements or creating some form of template. Each of these options is time-consuming and in many cases requires a second try. When the marks are off, the object will not mount or will not be positioned as desired. The Keyhole Companion solves this problem by securely attaching to the keyhole slots of almost any object, making the object itself into a template, and then marking exactly where the fasteners need to go on the surface. No measurements and no guesswork. Keyhole Companion works with most keyhole slot configurations and marks on a variety of surfaces, making a tedious and error-prone task quick and easy. Nelson Stud Weld. Nelson offers a full line of standard in-stock fasteners for quick shipment, as well as custom-designed fasteners to meet your specific needs. If you wish to see design specifications, special application procedures, and part number information for a particular category of fasteners, weld studs are a permanent solution to fastening metal to metal. They come in all shapes and sizes and are adaptable to an infinite number of applications.
Thanks for watching. If these 100 Unreal tools impressed you, drop a like, share with your fellow makers, and hit subscribe for more tool pack content. Got a favorite? Let us know in the comments or tell us what we missed. Until next time, keep building, stay sharp, and keep those ideas cutting clean. Welcome to the ultimate list of 100 tools so good they don't even seem real. From precision woodworking gear to powerful pro-grade tools by Makita, Milwaukee, Kreg, and more, these game changers will blow your mind and upgrade your workshop. Let's dive into the future of craftsmanship.
Rapid RP40 Multi-Riveter. Enjoy the efficiency of one tool riveting. Thanks to its unique multi-nozzle, the RP40 multi-hand riveter can be operated without nozzle changes. This means fewer interruptions and optimal results when working with any kind of sheet metal job. The RP40 Multi is also equipped with a smart measuring control system that measures rivet dimensions and material thickness. You can be